Gate drops down. These guys are neck and neck. Looks like Robinson's got the hole shot. That's Robinson. We got a couple of riders down there.
Go, catch him, Liam, catch him.
Robinson, Russell, Reed, Robinson, Russell, Reed, and Smith. Taking two transfers. Looks like Robinson and Russell will transfer out, followed by Reed, Smith. Looks like Roberts is back up. Let's hear it for our down riders. Evan Glenwright Roberts. And we're just going to check on Peter. It looks like he's up. That's Peter Lowe. Let's hear it for him. These guys are neck and neck the whole way.
Nice manual.
All right.
I got it on film for you.
And once again, let's hear it for our down riders.